Namaste, I'm Shiva Swati. This is the Voice of God channel. Please share, like, and subscribe. This video is about the importance of having independent space and the importance of government building free meditation centers all over India and world. Government building free meditation centers all over the world, or at least you should have some space where you can be alone for 2 to 3 hours per day, because the only way to rise above diseases, sickness, financial problems, tension in the heart, and the pandemic is to have free empty space. There are people who are living in mansions and they have several rooms only to themselves, but there are people who are living 8 to 10 people in one single small room, and you cannot expect them to meditate or have time to rise above their misery, because even to rise above misery you need meditation, you need silent zones where God can walk in. And if there is constant pressure of thoughts on your head all the time, you have no time to be silent or improve your financial positions. So it is very important that you have independent free space in every house, that you have a separate room for meditation where when one person is meditating, another is not going in, and you should be allowed to play mantras, and you should be allowed to chant Om and any prayers which you like during your meditation time without other people of the house objecting to the prayers being chanted. Otherwise, the government should build, like schools are there all over the world. Schools are for education, but they do not guarantee happiness. Instead, if government builds meditation centers all over the world, it guarantees happiness, it guarantees good health, it guarantees freedom from the pandemic, because you need neutral zones for positive hormones to rise and from negative thinking to stop. So from negative hormones to go towards positive hormones, you need to move to a neutral space where neutral hormones are created, and for that neutral space you actually literally need physical neutral space. That is why you see saints going up to the Himalayas and meditating, because there is so much space around. So this space is important. You cannot expect people to meditate in crowded places, in malls or temples where they are very crowded, and you cannot have freedom of peace, freedom of space inside your head in crowded places. So if you want the health of humanity to rise as a whole, you will get affected by the poor sections also, because thought waves travel, and you will realize that when you are amongst people who are working for you, who are from poorer sections, you will have headaches and more tension and more stress inside your head, simply because they stay in a very crowded place, and that the tension of the crowd comes on to you through them. So it is very important. That is why to have spaces where they can meditate for 2 to 3 hours alone without anyone disturbing. Single rooms, not necessarily communal rooms where there are several people watching them. Like the church has the open space where people meditate, but there are several people praying at the same time. Instead of that, you need individual rooms all over the world where nobody disturbs people who are going to meditate, and people should be given turns where they can tokens or turns where they can have their own time for that 3 hours or 4 hours. This will improve their concentration, it will improve their intelligence, it will improve their work performance, it will improve peacefulness, it will reduce aggression, it will reduce terrorism, it will reduce sickness, it will reduce addictions and the need for alcohol, because the need for alcohol also comes because you have no free space in the house. When you take alcohol for some time, you are totally detached from the world and you are inside your own space. That is the ideomotor reaction it creates inside your brain, which is an untrue situation, because of which headaches are there, severe headaches or problems are there after the alcohol subsides and there is a hangover. But for that period, for 2 to 3 hours, when you are taking alcohol, you are in a complete state of oblivion from anyone else. Now, even if you are interacting, you are not letting their thoughts take over your body. Though after you are interacting and after you have stopped taking alcohol, those same thoughts enter you and create aggression in you. So alcohol is not a solution. because it has several side effects which are harmful. Watching porn is also not a solution. Going to prostitutes is not a solution to be alone away from your family, because all those situations pass on negative energies through simply through watching or through absorbing those energies. You become negative because the people performing are often forced and often negative. So you take on negative energies more than positive by shortcut methods of finding your own space, like sports or alcohol or drug addiction or prostitution or watching films. All these situations are good only as long as they last, and after the effect is over, after the movie is over, you feel exhausted and drained out. So instead of that, if you are meditating for 3 hours alone, then after that 3 hours you will feel rejuvenated, recharged, like like you're a phone on charge, and you have taken those 3 hours to recharge. So it is extremely necessary for a higher immunity and for the pandemic to reduce and for further diseases to not come, that meditation centers be opened all over the world in place of schools. And education can be taken on through YouTube, through mass media, through social media, and there can be exams which children can give. There is no need for daily education the way it is being taught now. Education should be on the move. Some basic subjects have to be taught daily, which can very well be done through TV and through social media and YouTube. You don't need schools for that anymore, because schools have become playgrounds, and children go there more to relax than actually to learn anything about values, beliefs, or education or studying. So in spite of schools, there is so much aggression, there is so much incest, molestation, disrespect, terrorism, which means that schools have not been successful in reducing the level of violence in society since the last 200 years when they were invented. It is a failed experiment, and it has to be understood that it is a failed experiment. You need meditation centers all over the world instead, where children can be alone for some time, even for half an hour, 20 minutes, when children are left alone to meditate, to self-think, without a gadget, without telephone, without television, where they are simply alone and they can just daydream, think of being one with God, or make stories in the mind, and they can probably discuss them, and the violent stories can be removed from their head through some supervisor. But they can have pleasant stories, they can be encouraged to have pleasant stories, think pleasant thoughts in those 20 minutes, so that they become positive. So you need space to be positive. You cannot be positive in a very crowded space with a lot of negative people. That is an unrealistic expectation, and that is why schools backfired during the pandemic, because schools created a lot of stress, because there were so many children and they were all pressurized, and so terrorism and anger increased with schooling. That is why the pandemic, when the new age comes and the pandemic has hit, the schools are not being able to open. If they open, the pandemic increases, immunity falls, and disease increases, because this is not what God wants, that people become clogged as rats in cages. They want freedom of space, and people to evolve to a brighter and happier form of self. That is why independent meditation centers, places where you can be alone and meditate, is critical for removing of the pandemic and for further prevention of diseases. Thank you.